Hi everyone, and I'm Alice, and I'm currently at Tsinghua University at my office in the Institute of Climate Change and Sustainable Development. When I'm in meetings abroad, a lot of you guys have asked me, how's Beijing and how's Tsinghua? What a great experience and opportunity for me to bring you all to tour around the school. So come with me. There's a lot of celebratory activities going on campus, and I actually have a few in mind that I would love to show you guys around. But before that, let's head over to check in. At the check-in point for the alumni. This area actually is the oldest part of Tsinhua's campus. And here we have our Tsinghua Xuetang, the auditorium and the Old Gate, super traditional and landmark important for Tsinghua campus. Right now, let's try to interview some of our alumni. I just grabbed a student from the grounds. So what's your name and which year are you from?
My name is Grace, and then I'm an alumni, and I was class of 22.
Behind us is the Sundial. Do you know the story and representation behind it?
I actually do. This is our school's sundial, and then it was given to us as a gift from the class of 1920. The words on this actually speak louder than words.
I've heard that the labs are a major spot for us to visit during the celebration. Here we are right now. We have a lot of student displays products on display. Let's go and see what we will explore here. Hi, Professor Lee. So happy to see you again.
You know, today is the 113th anniversary of Tsinghua University. As the most important and the largest base for practical engineering training and innovation education, today we prepared a lot of interesting programs for our alumni. I got one special gift for you.
So much.
We will visiting and experience some interesting programs like sustainable development, artificial intelligence.
Oh, they're everything I like. So let's go.
Let's go.
Hi, Professor Xu. This seems like a very fun game. Can you explain to me what are we doing here?
Here we show a brain-to-computer interface. So it will measure your brain waves and recognize your focus and full attention. So if your focus on this car triggers a function of the car, so it will be race very fast.
Professor Xu, what creates it to light up 3 lights?
This is a flexible light-up bracelet. Here, there are 3 LED chips, and when you fix the chip on the circuit, then it will light up.
Looking at these products, are these all created by students?
Yes, they are all created by students of iCenter from different programs. The objective here is our staff to support them to realize their ideas.
When should I go next?
I recommend you to visit the exhibition of the Challenge Cup. A lot of iCenter students, especially from the program iStar, they participate in the exhibition and get good results.
So this is the exhibition that is recommended by Professor Lee for us to visit. At the exhibitions of the Challenge Cup, all the entries here are displayed by our Tsinghua students.
This is a spycopter designed by May. It's used for transportation of cargoes inside the city to solve the traffic problem. Basically, transporting Mai takeout.
Our team designed a docking mechanism and a docking control algorithm for flying car. The purpose is to reduce manual tasks in the air-ground collaboration process. And our teachers from both our majors and the iCenter were extremely supportive about the whole process.
Our team designed this Tinker family service robot. It now can perform a lot of functions such as navigation, the object recognition, and grasping objects.
The project uses EEG to interact in real-time particle effects on the spring and to control the direction of the story.
Where do you think it's a great place that you will recommend us to visit next in the Tsinghua campus for this video?
I usually bring family and friends to the art museum. Maybe you should go there next.
Hi everyone, we're now at Tsinghua's Art Museum. Opened in 2016, there are more than 20,000 unique pieces here. We've used to exhibit pieces from Monet and Leonardo da Vinci. Today, I would love to bring you guys to see a very special exhibition. There are more than 100 pieces of Chinese calligraphy, all written by our alumni and donated to us. This is the best moment to see it at our celebration of the ceremony.
So here we are at the exhibition. The name is called Sincerely Yours.
And here we present personal letters from over 130 Tsinghua scholars. By reading their personal letters, we can feel their academic spirits, their personal characters, and the values we uphold here at Tsinghua. This letter was written by Lin Huiying, the first female architect in China, and in the 1930s traveled all around China to look for ancient Chinese architectures. And in this letter, you can see that she drew a roadmap for her daughter. So to Wutaishan. So in this place, they found a very ancient temple that was built 1,000 years ago in Tang Dynasty.
I just came out from the exhibition, and it's super touching to see the historical handwritten note manuscripts from our alumni. We're used to seeing them in academia, but it's a rare opportunity to peek into their personalities and how they're embodied and what it is like to be a Tsinghuaren. Finally, we are here at Tsinghua's old library. And this is a library that has been here for more than a century. And there are so many memories of generations and generations of our Tsinghua students. Walking inside the old library of Tsinghua, you can see the design of the window frames and the super cute glow green lights all resembles the historic of the library. So, right now, let me try to find an alumni to interview. 学长您好，您是几年的校友呢
？1957年进清华大学，毕业以后呢就留校工作，工作到80岁。
那您觉得你在清华这么多年，有没有什么特别有趣的小故事可以跟我们分享一下呢？
因为我在学校的时候呢，是学校篮球队的队员，清华很有一个特点。 他还是比较重视体育的，这样能够保证健康的为祖国工作50年。
那学长，你有没有什么可以对我们新一代的清华人去说的呢？
做事首先要做人，过去和现在不同，因为社会进步了，这个内涵也更丰富了。但是归根结底这2条，做人做事，这个来讲是不会变的，而且是应当坚持，继续不断的传承。 发扬，
有没有什么想对我们的国际友人说的呢？
韦玉琦先生有一句话：“大学非大楼之谓也，乃大师之谓也。”清华呢，历届都有很多大师到清华来学习呢，可以学到很丰富的知识，对你们今后的成长、一生的经历将会有巨大的帮助。Welcome to Tsinghua University.
Welcome to Tsinghua. Welcome to Tsinghua.
Welcome to Tsinghua.
Welcome to Tsinghua.
Welcome to Tsinghua.
Welcome to Tsinghua.
Welcome to Tsinghua.
This is the end of our tour in Tsinghua, and there's left so much more for us to explore. So come visit me, and hope to see you soon. Bye.